Mamma mia. How was that? Mamma mia. This is the barbecue chicken. You see the steam coming out? It's really hot. But hey, looks good. Looks delicious. Let's take a bite. Cheers. It's real good. I want more. This is really good, guys. Of course, it's a spicy barbecue. Okay. It is really good. I really like it. Look at that barbecue. Ooh. Ooh. No, that's right. 100% delicious. Try this at home. That's the chicken I was eating from. What's going on, guys? It's here, Eddie Cantu from Ingenious Productions. Thank you once again for joining me in my YouTube channel, Ingenious Productions, your channel. If this is your first time being on Ingenious Productions channel, thank you for joining me, and thank you for your time. Thank you for your support, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you like the content of this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to share the videos, and I really appreciate your support. And on this video, okay, what I'm gonna cook, barbecue chicken. You heard that? Barbecue chicken. And I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Are you ready? Are you ready to start cooking with Eddie Cantu and Ingenious Productions? You like my hat? My chef cap? So, showtime. Let's start cooking the barbecue chicken. And I'm gonna be cooking thighs. That's my favorite, thighs. Chicken thighs. I also like chicken breasts, but I really like chicken thighs. Showtime. Let's get started. These are the ingredients. Leg quarter. I gotta cut it off and cut all this off. And then this is the thigh and the leg. But all together it's called leg quarter. Just like your legs. A leg and a thigh. And I have some ready already right here. And I'm gonna use also this seasoning called lemon pepper seasoning. And I'm gonna use Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. You heard that? Sweet, spicy barbecue sauce. I'm gonna use this really at the end. For last, I already have everything set up. The oven is ready. Open it up so you can see it's already hot. The chicken is going right in here. Let's get ready to rumble. I'm also gonna use aluminum so I can cover this tray right here and the chicken can cook faster. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut another piece of the chicken. Right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece of leg quarter right here. This is what it looks like. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down and then start cutting it. I'm gonna cut the part that I don't like this, I don't want that. That's grease. The leg and the thigh. I'm gonna take off the skin too. Be careful with the knife so you won't cut yourself. Or otherwise, you'll be getting stitches. You don't want that. You being up in the hospital. You don't want to end up in the hospital. Be careful when you cut the chicken with a knife. Unless you want to use gloves, but I don't want to use gloves. Bare hands. I use bare hands. Okay, just like this. Put it right on the tray. This, I can use it too. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut like that. Like that. Extra skin. Put it right on the tray. All I have is the tray with the chicken thighs. And one leg. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the lemon pepper. I like lemon pepper. You don't have to add it. Just cook the chicken and then just at the end, you know, do the barbecue. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the lemon pepper. Both sides. I just want for the chicken to taste good with a lot of flavor. Now it's seasoned. This is what it looks like. What I'm gonna do is I am going to get some aluminum foil to cover it up. Just get enough for a tray like this. If it's bigger, then you get a bigger aluminum. Cover it up. Just like that. The next thing is, it goes right in the oven. Right in there. Close the door. That will be it for now. The temperature is at 350. I don't go by the timer. They do go by timers, but I don't know for how long. So I'm just gonna check the chicken. If you like the stove, it's an LG. And all you gotta do is, like, when you turn it on, you just press bake. It starts to bake right here. Click it, start, press, and it will start to preheat it, and then it will change into bake or whatever you're gonna do. It's got the timers right here too. The light, clock settings, start time, cook time, timer on and off. If you wanna see the inside part, you can see right there. Also turn on the light. Okay, that's off. The light is off. Turn it again. Like, click on the light and you will see the inside of the stove. Okay? So if you don't want to see the inside and you want the light off, just go ahead and click it off again. Just like that. Okay, it's on. It's off. You just gotta click it on, okay? It's add on the barbecue sauce. This will be at the end. Real good. This is really good. I recommend you guys. It says the sauce is the boss. So if you want to buy this, you can go ahead and buy it at Walmart, online. You know, just find a place to buy this barbecue or you know, this spicy barbecue. For now, this is it. Just bear with me because I'm gonna be adding the barbecue sauce to the chicken. Don't go away. We're gonna add it and then we're gonna eat the food, okay? And we're gonna see how it looks, we're gonna see how it tastes, and then you're gonna be cooking this at home, this healthy, nutritious food. Mamma mia. How was that? Mamma mia. Okay, guys, let's check out how the chicken is doing. Smells so good. I haven't even placed the barbecue on the chicken and it smells so good. I won't get burned. Okay, gotta grab it real tight. I also have a potato because I want to eat it with a potato and fix it up. I'll show you how to do that in a little while too. You ready to see how the chicken looks? Let's see how this chicken thighs look now. Oh. That's what they look like at the moment. They're getting there, they're getting cooked. Water. I'm gonna turn them. I'm gonna put them back in the oven for them to cook for a little longer, okay? They're not well cooked. So what I'm gonna do